I'm sure that you've heard of the benefits of bovine collagen, but have you heard of marine collagen? Let's talk about the benefits and why you should probably be taking marine collagen. Hi, my name is Maya Valenti with Naked Nutrition. I'm a private chef and nutrition coach, and I'm here to answer all of your questions about health, wellness, and what to put in your body to help you feel your best. Okay, so today we are talking about marine collagen, what it is, what it does, and whether it's actually worth adding to your routine. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start about talking about what marine collagen actually is. Marine collagen is collagen that comes from fish, typically sourced from the skin, scales, and bones. And one of the biggest reasons that marine collagen stands out is because it's especially rich in type 1 collagen. Type 1 collagen is the most abundant collagen in the human body, and it plays a major role in skin, hair, nails, bones, and connective tissue. So if your main goal is skin support and overall structural health, marine collagen is often a popular choice. Marine collagen is also usually hydrolyzed, meaning that it's broken down to smaller peptides, and this makes it easier for your body to digest and absorb compared to some other collagen sources. Okay, so why do people take marine collagen? One of the biggest reasons that people take it is for skin health. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, which can lead to fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and loss of elasticity. Marine collagen provides amino acids like glycine and proline that help support your body's own collagen production. Over time, consistent use may help improve skin, hydration, and firmness, and overall appearance. But the benefits don't stop there. Marine collagen can also support hair and nail health. Some hair and nails rely on structural proteins. Collagen provides that building block that your body needs to help keep them strong and healthy. So what about joints and gut health? Well, collagen plays a key role in cartilage and connective tissues, which is why marine collagen may also support joint comfort and mobility, especially as we get older or stay active. Another benefit that often goes overlooked is gut health. Certain amino acids found in collagen help support the gut lining, which is important for digestion and overall immune function. And because marine collagen is rich in glycine, it may help promote relaxation and support better sleep quality when taken consistently. So, is marine collagen better than bovine or other collagen sources? Well, if your main focus is your skin and beauty support, marine collagen is often considered a great option because of its high type 1 collagen content and its easy absorption. That being said, all collagen sources can be beneficial, and the best choice really just depends on your goals, your preferences, and your dietary needs. So how much should you take? Well, most people take anywhere between a few grams up to about 10 to 15 grams per day. And like most supplements, consistency is really what matters the most here. Marine collagen can be a simple and effective way to support skin, hair, nails, joints, gut health, and even sleep. It's not a magic fix, but when used consistently, it can be a great addition to a well-rounded routine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. And for more on marine collagen and other clean supplements, head over to nakednutrition.com, because here at Naked Nutrition, we're nutrition with nothing to hide. See you next time.